welcome back to my channel. It's been a while again. I'm trying my best to do what I can do. Today I'm going to do a little review on this Tommee Tippee butter, what I think. Baby don't start using this butter as yet, but you know, just a little sort of review thing, what I think about it. So this comes in three. This butter set is discontinued, or this bottle is discontinued. This type of bottle, not Tommee Tippee bottle. This type of bottle is discontinued. This doesn't have the thing in it to tell you if it's cold, hot, warm, whatever. I decided to buy this because it is easier to clean, etc. So this comes in three. I paid about $12 something. I'm talking a little bit fast because the video will soon stop. This is nothing long, just showing you guys the bottles I got for the baby for now. I have more bottles put down, but maybe next time I'll show you guys that. But I'm going to buy more bottles. I want the Dr. Brown bottle and some other one. So these bottles are fat. I love the look of it. It's cute. And this comes in clear. Decided to buy another. I was going to buy another color, but can't bother. I like these bottles. These look very nice. I think the baby is going to love it. The nipples are fat. That is not here in Jamaica. We don't have this type of bottles in Jamaica. That's why I decided to buy my bottles online. I saw these things in Jamaica in a store the other day, and they're fraud. Yeah, you have fraud Tommee Tippee event, whatever. I'm going to get the event and Dr. Brown bottle, but not now. So I work with this bottle. This is a 5-ounce bottle, and it's also quite deal. This holds a lot. This bottle is fat. I love this bottle so far. I'm going to do a review again when the baby is born to see if the baby takes the bottle or not. That's why I'm going to buy a lot of bottles, you know, if he doesn't take this one or whatever. You can try another one. But this is just a mini review and show you guys the bottle. Little unboxing, whatever, etc. Being as though I'm not even uploading as much as I should. Oh boy. And it comes with instruction as well. I didn't realize the paper was in there, so I didn't get to take it out. I didn't realize, but I love this bottle. Hope the baby loves it. Yeah, basically that's it, guys, and I hope I can do more videos. I don't know what is wrong with me, I swear. I don't know uploading video right now to me, like, I don't know. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and please come back again. I'll be back with more videos, hopefully. Love you. Bye.